Hello YouTubers and Yankee Candle lovers. We are the Yankee Candle Superfans here, and we are talking about our favourite Yankee Candles. Today we are talking about the Yankee Candle Nature's Paintbrush. Here is a scent description by our voiceover lady.
A perfect autumn day captured in radiant aromatic strokes of brisk air, spicy woods and warm musk. Top fragrance notes are aromatic notes and citrus, with mid notes of green moss, thyme and sandalwood, and base notes of blonde woods, amber and musk.
Good, so let's take a look at it. The colour is browny red, and the label is an autumn day, and it smells fresh and musky. So I'll give it 10 out of 10 off the rate. This Yankee Candle Nature's Paintbrush is rare and retired. And that is our review for this Yankee Candle Nature's Paintbrush. Thank you very much for watching this video. And you guys know what to do. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Ding!
To turn on new notifications. Come back soon. Bye bye.